So now let's have a discussion on photoelectric effect. Now, before it was not discovered, there were certain observations that were made in regard to photoelectric effect. The first observation was Hertz observations. So let's talk about what is Hertz observation. Now Hertz observed that high voltage sparks across the detector loop were enhanced when the emitter plate was illuminated by ultraviolet light from an arc lamp. Now he observed that if in the presence of a ultraviolet light, the detector loop, the sparks that you get from the detector loop is enhanced, like the quantity becomes more. So what he deduced was that if light shining on the metal surface somehow facilitates the escape of free charged particles. That is what he finally deducted. Let's say suppose that shining surface, light shining, light is shining upon this metal plate, this somehow helps the charged particles to escape. So this was Hertz observation. Now there was another observation that was made by Helbrechts and Leonard, and their observation was Helbrechts and Leonard's observation.